Rolling na ba?
Yep, rolling na yan. Second episode, guys. Welcome to...
We're still here.
So, welcome once again, guys, to Time for Coffee. This is our second episode with my co-host, si Andy, and I'm Paul. So thank you so much una sa mga friends natin dyan sa motoring, also even family na nanood nung first episode natin. And yeah, make sure to share it to your friends, guys, and your family. Then, so yeah, Andy. So what do we have for today? What are we talking about today?
Okay, so we have 5 watches today. And I want to point out that of these 5 watches, 1 is a smartwatch. 2 are Chinese homages to some well-known other models, other vintage models. And 1 is a vintage look quartz from the god tier of watch brands. It's a Casio quartz.
All right.
Okay, so our first one, yun na natin. Siguro is a Casio.
All right.
So this is a Casio MTD 130 DAV something something. This is normally when I go to malls, tingin-tingin lang. And then one day I was at SM South Mall. I was just curious, went to the Casio kiosk. And I wasn't really looking to buy one kasi ang dami na akong Casio eh. But then I saw this one. And nainlove talaga ako because it has the internal compass.
Oh,
Old
wow.
school. Yeah. So,
Man, doon sa top.
yeah. So it has the reflective dial.
So it rotates or does it?
Yeah, internal rotation siya.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So, pero it's not magnetic compass.
Okay.
Actually, hindi pa ako marunong paano gamitin ito. Kailangan mo hanapin yung araw. Tapos igikit namin yung araw dun sa 12 and yung N and then yun yung general direction. Parang ganun eh.
Okay.
Hindi ko pa natatry.
Okay.
Kasi may wisdom man eh. I just like it because it looks so nice. And the dial,
Galing gumagalaw yung...
Yeah. and the dial is reflective for a reason. Let's say you're stranded sa desierto and then you need some help. You can use it to signal using it the reflection.
Okay. Tama.
Diba?
Pag malayo ka. That's cool. Bo?
Yeah. Galing.
Yeah.
They had another one that was a black dial, but of course, it won't be as useful. So this one, I love this watch. And then, binudol pa ako ng 6 months to pay. So, kasa na.
Can you say how much?
Is this 7,000?
Tapos 6 months mo. Okay.
Kaya para talaga hindi mo mararamdaman. Para di ba?
That's smart. Okay. That's how you do it, guys. Para di pansin din sa clinic.
Yeah. Tapos, this is not the original strap. This is the original strap. Well, if you know Casio, they don't really make great bracelets.
Like
it's
a 6 months, bro. It's like
it's a very
for 6 months.
jangly, So I ordered a strap from Barton. Kasi ang kulit nila sa Facebook ko, yung online ad. So I ordered from Barton. US yata. So it's a sailcloth. So I like it. Only took 6 weeks for them to get here. Kadili, medyo nainis ako eh. But when I got it, I'm happy with it kasi it really looks nice. Complements the look of the watch.
Yeah.
Although had I known earlier, I would have bought local kasi meron palang Cavalry watch band to sell the same kind of strap for 600 pesos.
Is that's not your favorite color? Green ka din kasi.
Yeah, green,
Ah.
brown, tan,
Okay, cool.
mga pseudo-military colors.
Okay.
So, one of my favorite watches to wear because it's so comfortable and very parang medyo utilitarian.
Oh, ganda. Tsaka cool yun yung sabi mo na pwedeng, let's say, you're in the middle of the desert tapos somebody's looking for you and siyempre hindi ka makakita eh. Pero siyempre liit mo eh. Pero if yung ganun mo, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yan, makastaway kasi isang maliit
Yeah.
na island. No?
Oh, yung reflection.
Yeah.
Ang galing no, pwede mo galawin. Ang galing.
Yeah.
Pwede mo galawin yung direction. Parang interactive pa yung watch. Oh,
Then,
no?
the next watch is this one. It's a Glycine Air Pilot.
This is what we were talking about
Yeah.
first episode. This is what you got you back from the watch collecting.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, it's a nice entry into collecting. So Glycine is a Swiss brand. They're not very well known here in the Philippines, but they have a nice collection of quartz and automatic watches. This is actually at their, I would call it an entry level,
Okay.
kasi it retails for around 20,000.
Right.
But this one I got it from Watch Library.
Hello, Watch.
Hi, Watch Library. Thank you.
Okay.
Great deals.
Yes.
If I remember correctly, this was 15,000.
Hmm.
It looks
Yeah,
it looks more expensive than
Yeah, it looks like
15,000.
almost 30K or even higher.
Yeah.
Ayaw dun sa ano.
Kasi I love the vintage look of the dial. So it's basically a GMT. It's a dual time zone. It's sa loob. Then may date siya. And the sword hands. Very, very elegant design. And oversized siya. It's a 45 or 46. So
Ang
it's a
ganda ng
flyer.
finish. Yung talaga doon ka I guess yun yung ano ng mga watch lovers is yung details
Yung
talaga.
detailing. And the clasp, the bracelet is very
Yan.
precise. Oh. So it's very good fit.
Tsaka
So-
ang ganda nung, yun nga yung finish. It's that's the
Yeah, when you look closely, the indices, so the second hand, sakto yung tama niya dun sa indices.
That's so important for a lot.
Yeah.
Ako
Tsaka,
rin, medyo
ang lakas ng loom niya.
yun.
Ang lakas ng loom. Pag pinala mo sa gabi, ang lakas.
The thing with Lumba, is it like, do you have to, papaaraw mo ba talaga siya or para
Yeah.
ganun?
Although maganda, ilawan mo ng 30 seconds para
Okay.
ma-charge talaga.
Okay.
Para parang radiation. Poisoning. Dahil, joke lang.
Ganda.
Then, another one, for a while, I was really curious about San Martin.
Ay, ako rin.
Kasi, if you go on YouTube and you watch all of these watch collectors, they really talk up these homages.
Yeah.
So, marami na. Pagani design, later, Hadley's dive, watch dives,
Yeah.
Suggest, Sister, and then they keep mentioning San Martin as sort of like the
The best
top tier for the
yeah.
Chinese homages. So, punta ako sa website nila. And then, they had the sale. So, I had to order this one for about $130. Landed cost was around 8,000, 8,500. Not bad, di ba? Parang,
Ganda naman.
it's an NH35 movement, so very predictable. And I just love how the dial just pops the numbers. And then the bezel, I think it's a ceramic bezel.
Niya. Oh, wow. Look at yun. That's the sound. Yes.
Sarap.
I agree. Patingin niya.
Sorry.
Ito. Ako definitely ito na, actually, pinakauna-una ko nakita na parang Chinese brand na San Martin. I even posted there na, ano maganda? Addis Dive or San Martin, pero
Parang Seiko Prospects eh. Yung finish.
tama. That's the thing, no? Ito guys, this is automatic pa for under 10K. You have an
It's an
automatic watch.
NH35 movement.
Yeah.
And then solid end links. Ang ganda ng bracelet niya.
Yeah.
Very, very wow.
Solid talaga yun.
So I always get compliments from friends. And it's an homage to a 62 Mas.
Okay. What's that?
Seiko 62 Mas, 1962.
Okay.
But it's not a 1:1. I think it's a little bit smaller. There's some details are released by San Martin, but the look is a tribute to that vintage diver.
Tsaka at least in San Martin, yung logo nila is tasteful naman. Katulad ng iba na
I like the logo, but a lot of people don't actually sa YouTube. Okay lang siya.
baka kasi para lang di malabo.
Medyo geometric. Ganda naman eh.
Yeah, I like the San Martin logo.
Tapos anti-reflective sapphire glass. So all the premium details are here.
Ganda.
But not the price. It's not a premium price.
So, that's the thing. Ako, tagal ko lang, namimili na lang ako kung anong magandang San Martin.
Ang ano lang with these homages, they generally use Seiko movement. So this is an NH35.
It's one of the most popular.
The most common. It's like the Toyota Corolla of...
Yeah, okay.
ano lang siya, may ghost setting lang siya. Kasi NH35 has a day-date function. This one does not. So you have to move it. Akala mo na, you're actually talking
okay.
that indicable
Dalawa
date.
gumagalaw.
But it's not.
I see.
Magalaw. It's not a big deal. Pero that's the thing. Syempre, you want an affordable watch, you have to make some compromises. I
Yeah.
mean, if
So it
you-
doesn't, yung ganitong build, sa kamay tapos sabay, that's the thing guys kapag, ako when I started, hindi na ako tumitingin dun sa, I mean, sure, dapat bayaran ko in a affordable na hindi ako mahirapan. Pero, na-enjoy mo yung watch. For the watch, not for whatever brand that is,
Yeah.
not for some
yeah, enjoy the watch because you like how it looks and how it feels,
Yeah.
not because of the brand.
And the best thing nga dun is, if you can afford it, you can change watches. Like, ako,
Every week.
ako minsan, pag medyo busy ako minsan. Pag nandito ako sa bahay, minsan twice a day, di ba, naglilipat lang ako. Just for, different mood, different, parang, that's the thing, palagi ka napapatingin sa watch mo, parang, I feel like, okay, cashier naman tayo, or gusto ko mag-diverse watch, and stuff like that. And, it really didn't put, drill into your pocket, tapos,
Yeah.
enjoy pa talaga.
And if you change your mind, you can always sell it.
Mm.
You can see a few of them on the marketplace.
Yeah.
Hindi naman bagsak presyo just because it's a Numancia. It's like,
Yeah.
people know the value of these things.
Yeah. I think
Not that I'm gonna sell this one. I like it.
the problem lang is, since it's really affordable, ang nangyayari is napapabili ka. Just like itong,
Yeah. Hindi ka tayo makakaipon para dun sa
sa mas
pangarap
mahal.
mong relo.
Kasi bili ka
Kaya
ng-
disiplina talaga minsan.
So ako naman, what I have here is kakabili ko lang din last week. Itong Pagani design,
Yeah.
1782 ba? Or nakita ko lang sa Shopee eh. Tapos, syempre, doon sa test drive, dilaw. I always loved the yellow color. Kaya, meron na nakita Seiko na dilaw. Kaya lang, sabi ko, punan ko yun, ganyan.
Yung pump,
Kaya,
yung speed timer.
yung
Oh,
tama.
God.
Nakita ko yun.
20,000. Yeah?
Mga ganun siya,
Maganda ba?
tagang binabantayan ko palagi kapag, pero ito kasi, para lang mas-scratch yung itch. So this is my second Pagani design ng watch. And
Ang ganda ng case. Oh.
I have no idea about the specs in there. Alam ko lang 1782. And then, ang importante lang sa akin is, well, yung unang glance, it looks good. I actually quite like
Yeah,
it.
merong vintage yung case niya. Eh. Oh.
Tsaka, I think yung, lang is, ito yung dito lang sa, I guess hindi itong part, parang hindi
Yung
nagmamatch.
alignment.
Okay, yan. Yun lang doon sa mga. Doon na makapansin. Pero, if you're really, it's only if you're really picky about it.
Tsaka
Pero,
may tachymeter siya.
Ayun pa, yeah. Tachymeter.
In case gusto mong malaman kung gaano kabilis yung sasakyan.
Yeah.
Assuming you know how to use the tachymeter.
Yeah. Tapos, magkano lang siya? 2.9. 2.9. Pero,
Walang
minsan,
sasakyan.
makita ko siya 4,100. Tapos, naantay-antay ko biglang
Biglang 9-9 sale.
9.9 sales, biglang baba pa. So, 2.9, sabi ko, oh no.
And it has a VK63 movement. Seiko, no? So ang ganda ng parang high beat siya when you start the chrono.
Yung pag-flow nung I love the design. Tapos ito yung micro adjustment, di ba? Micro adjust. Yung strap it's alright. It's okay na.
Yeah.
Tapos may logo dun sa Pagani. May logo nung I'm not sure about the name. Masyado talagang ninakaw yung
Trying to be Italian
yung Russian Pagani.
and Porsche design.
Parang ganun no?
Okay lang yan.
Pero after this, I really don't mind it kasi it feels the build quality could be better. Pero antayin ko na lang yun sa susunod na tiraw kong watch. Pero
Yung case back niya, engraved. Oh.
ayun na parang laki.
Yung case back niya.
Nagreklamo pa ako. Pero ganda.
Tapos, if you don't like the bracelet,
No, you
pwede
can
mo palitan
use-
ng strap.
Exactly. That's my plan din. Na para maiba naman. Para mayaw ko ngayon strap.
Yung bracelet niya is a loose, parang casual bracelet lang. It works. It's,
Tapos, yeah, I mean, for the money, that's the thing what I've been doing. I've been budget meal watches eh. Pero, ni-enjoy ko lang, dinadami-dami ko lang. Pero, ayan na, medyo nakita ko yung mga watches ni Annie, for sure. Ayan na I'm gonna hold myself back na para mas may quality.
Delayed gratification naman.
Eh, oo,
Try mo
tama.
naman.
Oo, tama, exactly. Delayed gratification.
So now what is what this one?
Dito naman, ito, meron tayong special sponsor. so, so GAC Philippines gave me this watch. This is a sports watch. They have this. Ito yung GAC parang key, third key. So it has the function of unlock, lock nung either M-Zoom.
Talaga?
Oh, unlock, tapos yung, so meron siya dito, meron siya 3 functions na,
May remote start sa relo.
meron mo ito. Tapos so limited lang siya, well, they say it's limited. Pero, nakuha ko siya, by the way, sa GAC Valenzuela. And then, yeah, kasi they're gonna be launching this, and especially dun sa mga existing, of course, na GAC owners na. So, the functions that you can get nga is, so it's a third key. So, kapag lalapit ka dun sa kotse, mag-unlock na siya kasi yun yung standard function.
Parang James Bond yan ah.
Tapos sabay, yun, open and track, tapos yung pag-unlock nung pag-remote start, yan. Tapos it has the usual na sports watch na function. Medyo lang siya, pansin ko lang yung sport functions niya are very sort of generic. Tapos
Is it, who made this watch? Xiaomi?
I don't.
No
I
way.
think there's no. I've been checking the brand. Wala eh. I think it's like a sort of like a generic watch. OEM lang siya eh.
OE.
Na parang embed nila yung software. Pero ang nagustuhan ko dito is, so I have had this for like 4 days na, 69% pa yung baterya. Hindi ko na masyado nagagamit. Pero ang mahaba ng baterya niya. Ano lang, yung software lang doon sa phone, Chinese, so hindi siya magsisig sa Google mo or sa Strava.
Android siya.
Hindi siya Android eh. Meron siyang app na APK, pero hindi siya yung parang official. So
how do you update it?
Ayun, may APK, download mo APK, then magsisync naman siya sa watch mo. And then it has yung standard functions like tinatrack niya yung sleep mo, yung walk, yung if you target like number of steps per day, then yung heart rate, then meron din siyang notifications for basta on yung app dito sa phone mo, notification on, and lalabas din yung notifications dito sa watch mo. So yeah, yung mahilig sa sports watch, yung itong, ito yung mas uso ngayon. What do you think about, Andy, di ba before yung sunto mo na sports watch, so what do you think about kasi alam ko yung a lot of people, they're kind of okay na basta naka-sports watch. Di ba? Ang problema ko lang sa sports watch one time is yung Samsung ko hindi na gumana eh. Namatay na eh.
Ano ko lang with smartwatches. It gets old having to recharge the watch every night. If you use it a lot.
Yeah.
Kasi nangyari na sa akin yung nakalimutan ko i-recharge. Then when it was time to start the workout, 10% lang pala. So, oh no.
Hindi na itatrack yung workout mo.
Yeah.
Nawala na.
So, yun lang. Plus, I guess, nasa tao naman yun. Like, some people, sport watch is just utilitarian. Pero when you reach a point na a watch is part of your your attire for the day,
Yeah, exactly.
iba pa rin ang analog eh.
Yeah. There's
Or even a digital watch.
Ito, you don't have
Hindi ko nga dinala yung G-Shock ko eh.
you don't have that that sound that we adore.
Parang sa parang nagpuputok ng bubble wrap.
Tsaka siyempre yung feel ng metal. Maganda for sure. I have no problem naman yung my daughter loves her Apple Watch and stuff eh. Ano lang, pag lumuma na siya, pag gusto na yung screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Yung mga ganun, hindi ko siya,
Kapon na siya.
oo.
Although yung Sunto 9 ko, 2019 pa yun. So, okay.
Okay pa.
Medyo mga ganit na yung buttons.
Mm.
Yung rubber niya sa loob.
And, yeah, ako, ito naman mga motoring, itong mga special function na ganitong watch. It's interesting, you know. Nasubukan ko naman, it's quite fun at first na may key. Pero sabi ko, I don't think I'll be able to use that eh. Kasi syempre gusto ko, pag sasayo doon sa kotse ko, iba yung watch ko eh.
May rotation ako eh. So,
Ayun, tama, may rotation. How many do you have in rotation? Like for the whole week or like,
yung 24.
oh wow, okay, 24. Nice.
Pero a lot of her Casio or such.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't have too many automatics.
Ako,
Kasi nakakasawa yung yung everyday. Kaya ano mo na naman.
baka ito yung una kong bibili automatic. Either yung steel dive mo, di ba, was automatic din ba yun? Or-
You have to
Have to
get
choose.
you get that steel line.
Okay.
And it's one of the best looking watches.
Yeah, I agree.
Yung ST
Alam mo,
1970.
Namimili na ako either blue or
Blue. Ganda ng blue.
black. Para may blue naman.
Kunin mo yung blue. Para
Sige.
pwede tayo mag-swap-swap.
Okay.
Green is na akin eh.
Oh, diba? That's one way to do it again, guys.
Swap.
So yun guys, just a very, very quick episode, our second episode today. And yeah, so again, thank you so much for watching. Andy, ano mo naman yung your page and everything?
On my page.
Yeah, you.
Thanks for watching. For those who obviously we're talking about watches here, but if you also want to talk about cars and motorcycles, come visit my page, my channel on YouTube, Ride by PH. And we also have a website, rideby.ph, yung mga usapang kotse and
Yes.
motor.
Yes.
And for next episode, I think we can talk about, I guess, G-Shock naman.
Yeah. Okay.
And let's have a Rolex to talk about. Para naman, baka sabihin nila, puro kayo mga mumurahin Rolex. May Rolex din kami, no? Kung naman, no?
And sa akin naman guys, if you're into cars and everything, yung test drive PH. So yeah, there you have it guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share this video, and follow us on Facebook. Yan, magpo-post na ako sa TikTok, Instagram, and everything. So, this has been Paul again.
And I'm Andy.
And we'll see you on the next episode. And this is Time for Coffee.